welcome to
Maguluku.
yeah. So today we have one special activity for you. I think we had uploaded Math Made Easy. So today we will again do with maths. Now why doing maths is because there are a series of Olympiads, especially in the month of January. There is this International Math Olympiad coming up, right? So for class 1, from class 1. I will be focusing on class 1 as of now, 1 and class 2 only. The children learn mathematics in a fun way using kitchen ingredients or materials, which is teaching materials which is easily available in the house. Alright. The only thing probably you will have to do is draw a plus, say a symbol of a plus or an addition symbol, a minus or a subtraction symbol, a multiplication or an into symbol, and a division or a divided by symbol, right? In a small square sheets. You can get it laminated if you want to. If you don't want to, just write it on a cardboard sheet and cut it into small squares and keep it ready for their symbols, okay, or symbol recognitions. Observe it carefully. We will take anything which is available in the kitchen ingredient which is smaller in size for ones to represent ones, a little longer or thicker or a little larger object than this for tens. I have picked up few matchsticks, and a little longer or thicker or taller or whatever, I mean to represent bigger than this for hundreds. I am concentrating only till hundreds. I am not going more than hundreds for them, because for class 1 I don't think so they will cross more than hundreds, right? So I'll repeat it again. So for representing ones, representing tens, and representing hundreds. Alright. So now let us get on to the basics on how children will have to do addition with ones and how they will move on to tens. Let's keep the hundreds a little later for the next video. Okay. Cut white sheets, right? And I've taken sketch pen. You can choose any color. You can choose any color. You can make it colorful also by making borders and all that. But I'm making the simplest one.
And you can take pencil.
Pencil will not look. Pencil will look lighter, so you can go for the sketch pens or marker pens, right? Why I have put this symbol is so that the child places the symbol in that way, because plus can be kept in any angle and it can look like a multiplication also, right? So if you give this notation to them, that means the this symbol has to be placed in that manner. Okay, so again here, so this is for minus or subtraction, right? For into, so I am just drawing an X, right? I am not using any scale or anything, just roughly drawing it, right? You can draw this and give it to the children and they can color it inside also. That also you can get it done. Okay, so this is for multiplication, and we will put an arrow allowing or helping the child to place it, right? And finally a division one. Okay, we're done with it. So once these are ready, once these symbols, the most commonly used symbols of mathematics, and ingredients from your kitchen representing ones, tens, and hundreds, make sure that they increase in their shape and size so that the children can identify it easily. Of course, if you pick up some dal, make sure don't pick up dal for ones. So you pick up something which is longer like this. I have used dalchini as of now because I had them. All right, and increase it in order. Now, so simple one-digit addition I will be teaching you. Say for example, if the question here is 5 plus 3. Right, so the child will arrange 5 here. So of course you can he can arrange it, I mean he or she can arrange it in the longitudinal or in the horizontal manner. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after that there is a plus, so I will add a plus and 3, right? So 1 2 and 3, right? So now we will ask the child to continue the numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5, 6,
7, 8.
8. So what is the answer? The answer here, the child will have to write it as
8.
Okay, let's I will slowly, so this, like this, you can give n number of questions to the child and allow the child to sit down and get himself or herself occupied with a lot of these additions. Alright, let's see how to teach them double digits. Like say for example, I have given 7 plus
Equal.
6 is what? Right, what is the answer? So this plus, they can either keep the plus like this or take it and put it again step by step. So we will do it step by step. That means I'll take out everything from here and I will arrange 7 first. So let me arrange 7 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right, all of them in one line, 7, and then I will add plus, and then we will add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we have added 6. So now what do we have to tell the child? He has to continue, he or she has to continue the numbers from here. So we'll start from here. Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Stop. The moment the child comes to 10, tell the child immediately. When the child tells 10, he or she should remove all these which has come up to 10 and place the tens one here. Okay. So the tens one. 10 is come out here. Okay. 10 is come here. So 10, then
11, 12 and
13. So immediately when the child counts 10, he or she will remove the ones, place 10 from the 10 counters. These are the counters for tens, right? So we place one counter for 10 and continue with the counting from 1, 2, 3 or continue like 11, 12 and 13. Alright. So what do we do now? How many counters of 10 we got? We got 1 counters of 1 counter of 10.
Yes.
And how many more we had? 1, 2 and 3. So this is how we will help the child write it.
And
1
it
counter
is
of 10
13.
and
It is 13.
yes, 3 counters of 1 left. Shall we do it again? One more. So we will do this. 8 plus 9. Let's do it like this. 8 plus 9. Okay. Kairav, can you do it?
Yes.
8 plus 9, yeah. Can you do it here now?
So wait, first I will tell. 3,
I will help Kairav because he is he's having a fracture in his right hand. So I will help him out.
6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Yeah, I'll help you out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the question says 8. We add a plus and then we arrange 9 here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so once we have arranged the question, ask the child to start counting it. Immediately when the child counts 10, he or she should remove and put a 10 counter. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
10 immediately. So that is what the children will make a mistake. They will continue counting. You have to stop them politely and tell immediately when you come and count 10, remove the whatever you have counted till 10, place one 10 counter. Okay,
And now
10. Now count
More are there.
1. Again, start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what do we do? Since how many counters of 10 do they have? they have 1, right? So 1, and how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7. 17. Right? So this is how we will teach them addition with 1 counters and with 10 counters. Awesome. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Maa Gurukul, and please do also comment in the comment section, because your comments and your likes will keep me motivated to make more videos. Thank you. See you all.